Friends, once again I am here with my new topic in LOD expression. Last one expression, exclude expression. An exclude expression function in work in the opposite way than an include function. Include function was used to calculate city-wise data on the basis of state. On the other hand, exclude function used to calculate total sales made in each state and display the data along with individual sale information for each city. How? Now we can go to the Tableau and we should know how to do this. Go to Tableau software, go to new sheet. In this opposite way of include function, we will calculate data for individual state level. So first what we will do, simply drag and drop country here and drag and drop state there. Where is the city? And simply drag and drop city here. So we can easily see in each state how much cities are there. So we can see last size state we use Montana. In Montana there are 5 cities. So what we can do, if we will increase size, it will also increase the size. Otherwise size is okay for better view. Now if I want to see some additional information here, when I hover with respect to any state, that will show total sales in the city, like here Twin Falls state here. If I base the sales, if I simply drag and drop sales here, then you can see each state and each city is showing sales here. For better view, we can increase the size for better visibility. We can see in Montana there are 5 states which are showing different sales. So this is showing city wise sales in a state. But if I want to see some additional information, like when I hover with respect to any city of the state, any state, then it should show total sales in the state too. At present this is not showing. So for this we will use exclude functions. For that what we will do, we will go to the create calculated field. We will go to the create calculated field and we will use create function exclude LOD. We will write it down here, exclude function. How to write it down? Exclude city sales sum of sales. Close the curly brackets. This is valid. We can do apply and OK. You can see a new expression is a new field is created, exclude LOD. We can put it, we can simply drag and drop exclude expression to the tooltip. Exclude to the tooltip. So we can see if we want to change the name of exclude LOD here, we can put it down to total sales. we can write it down. And it is, if we click OK, then if we go to any city, then we can see city, country, state, total sales and sales. Sales in particular city. If we go to Montana, it will show Montana state, city Great Falls, total sales is this, and individual sales for a city is this. So I hope you understood what is the importance of exclude LOD. This is where we use at bigger level to include at bigger level exclude function. I hope you understood how to do this. For better view, we can have some other changes too. We can increase size, we can use different color, we can have some changes in tooltip too. So I hope you understood, friends. Thank you so much. If you have any kind of doubt, please let me know. Thank you.